Join us this fall equinox for a transformative journey of balance and renewal. Align with the energy of the equinox as you arrive. Feel nature's embrace, the rustling leaves, and crisp autumn air. Walk peacefully through the woods, letting tranquility wash over you. This is a time for introspection, connection, and rejuvenation, setting the stage for a transformative journey ahead. Experience the majestic redwoods, connecting deeply with the earth. Enjoy preparing and sharing meals together, creating bonds and memories. Savor seasonal, nourishing dishes that honor nature's cycles. Experience the joy of cooking with fresh, local ingredients, and share stories and traditions. These gatherings are celebrations of life, connection, and the changing seasons. The Spirit Doll Workshop is a powerful way to encourage inner transformation as we learn to embrace all aspects of ourselves and rediscover a sense of innocence once again. Experience an evening ceremony with a drum circle and storytelling, together aligning our energy with the season for personal renewal. Share insights and set intentions for integrating the retreat's lessons into your life. Depart from the Soul Spa with a renewed sense of balance and connection. Carry forward the insights gained during this retreat. Remember the peace, friendships, and personal growth experienced. Let these memories guide you, maintaining the serenity and mindfulness cultivated here. Embrace the journey ahead with an open heart and a clear mind, knowing you are forever changed. Reserve your spot today. Join us for a transformative journey of balance and renewal. Stella Maris Soul Spa is the perfect setting for the Fall Equinox Awakening Retreat. Embrace the journey within. Own your dreams.